Hey everybody, my name's Matt, and this is Filmbox 94, and we just got done watching the start of Marvel Universe! We just got done watching Captain America, the Winter Soldier, and Justin, what do you think about it?
Face says it all.
My face says it all too.
Woo! Woo!
Yeah.
Yeah!
This movie changes my whole aspect of what it's going to be. It did. It made a lot of theories too, especially a lot of stuff.
Like,
we don't want to say nothing. It's just it's speechless.
it's a damn good movie.
If you ever there's like it's got like Call of Duty, Uncharted, Metal Gear.
Yeah, I felt like a little bit Metal Gear vibe.
Metal Gear,
Like-
but with a Marvel Captain America feel to it, obviously.
I still wish Spider-Man was in it.
Oh yeah, Spider-Man, but
That'd be cool.
May 2nd.
May 2nd.
We got, yeah.
Hey, that's the day after I go to that concert.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a
Yeah.
damn good day for me.
We got a lot coming up. We got a lot of Marvel movies coming out.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah!
So, what do you think about it? America!
Fuck yeah!
Yeah!